Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we are on the main scene and the waiting scene, and then if we go to lobby scene, you can see that when we click on main menu it's going back to main menu, but it's not disconnecting. So also you can see the room here and room tab here. So what we can do, we can go back to the lobby script, and instead of using public text room number, we can use public game object room number. And then in the start menu, start function, so we can just add a void start function, and for this we will just say that room number dot set active should be false in the beginning. Okay, so we want to make it inactive in the beginning. And then for the on joined room function, we will just use here the room number and we can just say the room number dot on joined room number dot but what is the dot Photon Network dot current room dot name and level. Okay, and here on joined room you can say room number dot set active true, simply. So what is this? Room number, okay, that's fine. And also for the back to main menu, where we have the back to menu function, we will also make Photon Network dot disconnect. So we want to disconnect the Photon network on clicking the main button. So now if you see canvas, you can see the room number is missing, so we will just add the room text over here, and on the main menu function we already have the function to main menu. So now if we move back, then we can just click on main menu, and now we move back to the main menu. And now if we enter, then we are in the lobby scene. That's great. Now if we click, you can join, but we want to show that connecting. So in the lobby scene, if we go to the room text, we can just change the name to connecting, like this. So yeah, that's great. Now if we test it again, you will see that if we log in, we can just click and connecting will be visible here, and now we are connected. And now one important thing is that we can move back to main menu and enter. That's working fine, and yeah, that's better. Although when we move back to lobby, we can't connect again for some reason. So We will check that later on. Operations set properties, card client not connected or not ready yet. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video we'll move further.